All right, here's a really quick video on how to print. Make sure you're printing right. Of course, I'm out in a tab. That's the best way to do it so that your line weights are correct. See how that line weight right there is a center and those are hidden? If we flip back over to model and we try to print this unit, none of that's going to show up. So always print from a sheet, even if it's just a quick sheet that you have to set up. Go up to print. It wants to reconcile the layers. You can do it if you want. I'm in a hurry, so I'm telling it no. Pick Adobe, and then always make sure you're on HP regular. These other things you can play around with and other settings. And then OK, and here you go. And name it. So the file name, usually we take that out, and this is what's really important, and then you put -5-20. Date every single PDF. You'll see why later on. And you're gonna wanna make a folder. I made a folder on my drive on desktop, temp for upload to Trello. So everything gets dumped in this one big folder. And then there's our PDF. And then I upload that PDF to Trello. It's angry because I didn't pick the right sheet size. So there you go.